Why did this flashing fail? Well, you got some water coming in the back. And once it fills up, it goes into the top, then it jumps onto the side, then straight onto the flat, and that's why this flashing failed. So that's the type of damage that one flashing will cause. I'm going to replace the lumber and we felt it and roof it in. So we changed the plywood, put on new paper, and then roof it in now. And so to fix these, you gotta mold the aluminum flashing. Make sure that the water has somewhere for it to go, not off to the sides. Thank you. Like and subscribe.